Galant's standard powertrain is a 2.4-liter, 160 horsepower four-cylinder teamed with a 4-speed automatic. Up-level LS and GTS trims get a new 3.8-liter, 230 horsepower V6 that generates 250 pound-feet of torque and is mated to a Sportronic 4-speed automatic with manual override. All Galants get standard 4-wheel disc brakes and a McPherson strut front jar multi-link rear suspension with front and rear anti-roll bars. The Galant arrives in dealerships in October, and Mitsubishi aims to sell over 100,000 units in the first year, at a price range of $18,000 to $25,000.